Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. In our previous video, we made a version of American Girl's vintage 1920s bakery from Claudie collection. So today, as promised, we share with you how to craft the 3-tiered bakery case and checkout counter. This stylish piece has so much room to store and display all kinds of sweet treats for the dolls. We'd love it if you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new DIY. So, let's get making! The key to this DIY are clear acrylic stands, intended for desk organisation or jewellery display. We sourced ours from Daiso at $2.80 each, but you can also get them off eBay and Amazon. You need 4 of the rectangular stands measuring 27 by 9 centimetres for the display case shelves. From 10mm foam board or thick cardboard, cut the countertop. Draw a border 2 centimetres in from both long edges and 1.5 centimetres in from the short edges. Remove the area inside your lines. Now make a 0.5 centimetre margin. We coloured ours orange so you can see it better on screen. And partially cut through the foam board, removing the top layer only to make a rim. The acrylic shelf should pop inside perfectly for a see-through top to the counter. Next, cut the front window from 5mm foam board. Mark a 1 centimetre border, then cut away the rest to get a frame. Using double-sided tape, adhere a sheet of clear plastic packaging to the back of the frame for faux glass. Now find the centre point of the window for the shop name. Slide a printout of an AG promo picture behind the plastic and trace over the letters with a gold specialty marker. Here we made a template for the bakery case side wall. You can find a link to this image in the description box. On more thick foam board, trace and cut 2, then cut away the 3 windows. Paint your walls cream to match AG's colour palette. You can opt to leave the walls like this or close the window areas with clear plastic packaging. We highly encourage this step as it makes the walls stronger. Trace each window shape onto your plastic, allowing an extra 5mm on all 4 sides for tabs. Put strong double-sided tape on the tabs, then insert the plastic panel into the corresponding hole. Perfect! Next, apply a line of hot glue along the angled edge of your side wall and connect it to the back of the front window. Repeat for the other side wall. Then glue in your Daiso shelves. Adhere the countertop, ensuring it is flush with the back of the bakery case and has equal overhang on the sides. To anchor the unit, cut and paint a base piece. You want to position the case flush with the right side and back edge. For the checkout counter, start with squares of thick foam board. Using a small plate, trace the curve and cut away this area. You need 4 of these pieces. The decorative panel is made from paperboard. Mark a 2 centimetre border on one piece, cut away the middle, then layer this frame on top. Here, we cut either side of the crease in our cereal box to get thin embossed strips. Glue these inside the frame. Cut an arc from a small paperboard square and affix them into the corners so this panel looks similar to the AG version. Freehand draw Claudie's motif in the centre of the panel. Then switching to a precision tip glue gun, outline the image, giving it dimension. Paint this panel with Rust-Oleum Ocean Mist to match with the colour of the bakery shop. Paint the rest cream. Next, make shallow slits into the base and top pieces to insert your decorative paperboard panel. Measure halfway and glue in an extra shelf, along with strips of foam board to give the counter more strength. Attach the counter to the right side of the unit and your DIY bakery display case is complete. Let us know in the comments what food items from Angelo's bakery you'd like to see crafted. In our next video, we show you how to make delicious brownies in their own baking pan. Thanks again for joining us today, and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!